Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video we are just going to be exploring a powerful and fast growing area in the trading world. And as you might have guessed, we are discussing artificial intelligence trading strategies in this video. Okay, so over the last few years, AI has moved from being a futuristic concept to a practical tool that traders use every single day. So what are artificial intelligence trading strategies? Well, in simple terms, they are trading methods that use AI powered algorithms and models to analyze data, identify patterns, and provide insights. All right. So, unlike traditional systems that rely solely on predefined rules, AI systems can actually learn and adapt. Okay, they look at historical market data, recognize repeating patterns, and then adjust their models when market conditions change. All right, so this adaptability is what makes them so unique. All right, so now let's just quickly break it down further. Okay, one of the biggest strengths of AI is its ability to process massive amounts of information in a short time, right? While a human trader might be able to analyze a handful of charts or news headlines, AI can scan thousands of data points simultaneously. Some models use natural language processing to analyze financial news, reports, and even social media sentiment, right? Others rely on neural networks to identify technical chart patterns that might signal a potential move. Now, there are several types of artificial intelligence tools used in trading. Okay, machine learning models are designed to improve over time as they are exposed to new data. Okay, sentiment analysis tools can give traders a sense of market mood by scanning text and speech from global sources. Okay, and then there are algorithmic bots that execute trades automatically based on signals generated by AI. All right, so now each tool has its own role. Okay, and the most effective traders combine them with their own judgment, discipline, and experience. Okay, now one important point to understand is that AI isn't here to replace traders. Okay, instead, it is here to empower them. All right, by automating repetitive tasks, scanning enormous data sets, and generating signals, AI frees traders from being stuck in front of a screen all day. Right, I believe that you're going to agree with me on this, right? So this means that traders can focus more on refining their strategy, improving risk management, and making the final decisions that no algorithm can completely replace. Okay, and of course AI is not perfect, right? Like any tool, it has limitations. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Okay, so if the data is biased or incomplete, the insights may not be accurate. Okay, so that is the reason why successful traders use AI as one part of their overall system rather than relying on it blindly. Now, here is the big question for you. Yeah, do you think artificial intelligence trading strategies will become the standard for every trader, or will they remain just one option among many? Also, have you started inculcating algorithmic, you know, uh, patterns into your trading, or rather algorithmic trading into your toolkit? Have you started inculcating artificial intelligence into your trading? Have you started, making reference to AI for insights? Well, I can say that AI can be really helpful when it comes to trading, at least in the aspect of gaining some insights, some analysis and all of that. But remember that AI should not make a final decision for you. It's okay if you have an EA, a trading robot that executes trades for you. But remember that a robot is only as good as the strategy that is being coded into it, right? So that is the reason why, even if you are using an EA, time and time again, you should always try to, just uh, look at the EA and be sure that everything is going as expected, right? Because, market conditions change and all of that. Okay. So now, if you think artificial intelligence trading strategies will become the standard for every trader, you can just let me know in the comment section, right? Drop your answer in the comments, because this is a discussion that sparks a lot of different opinions. Okay. But before we finish, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive videos on trading strategies, right? If you have been on this channel for a while, I believe that you must have gotten some value, at least, whether it's about trading indicators or trading strategies or trading systems, or several concepts in the trading or finance space, right? So if you have not yet subscribed, then I believe that now is the time to do that. Okay. And if you feel like this video or any other video on this channel is going to give some value to another trader out there, feel free to share the video with that trader. Okay, let's grow as a community. All right, your support helps us bring more content like this straight to you. Okay, so that is it for this particular breakdown of artificial intelligence trading strategies. Whether you were curious about machine learning or neural networks, or simply want to see how AI fits into the bigger picture of trading, the key takeaway is this: artificial intelligence or AI is not about replacing the trader, okay? Rather, it is about giving the trader better tools, okay? Better tools at their disposal to further strengthen their trading decisions, okay? So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.